There's a little rock bar pretty well in front of us now. I can see a little bit of it sticking up over there. It's got gaps in it you can get through.
Yeah, we found the gap. Oh, it's only a little baby trevally.
Oh.
But you had some fish.
Let's have a look. Oh, it is a little one.
Yeah.
Fish on again.
Yeah. Lazy fishing, no.
Same sort of fish.
Yep. Another trevally.
Let's have a look.
But better size, is nearly a keeper-ball.
Nearly a keeper-ball. Get higher. Oh, yeah, nearly a keeper ball. Oh well, just got to trade them up, Dal. Fish on again. I think that one's a shark, Dal.
It is a shark.
Oh, a little shark too.
It's your turn to get the hook out.
You always say that would be a shark.
Righto, so knock that up. Pretty warm day here up in the Kimberley. You know what they say, where there's smoke there's fire. Got it. Forgot the shovel. Got it now. When it goes brown, take her out, wait the new lot in.
Crocodiles out there, and they watch, and they'll just come flying out of the water, and that's the end of you. Good place to do the dishes though. Oh, and collect firewood.
We used to have a rule on tour, never come back in the evening without some firewood. Even if just a couple of sticks, it all helps. mean, we've been remote now for a couple of months without shops. Still got lots of garlic, fresh garlic. Still got fresh onions. So I'm getting glasses on. Let's just see how close I can get to chopping this while I'm talking to the camera. Oh, look at that, perfect. Oh, that one wasn't. The Irish have caught up twist top stubbies. So, oh, whack that in. Look at that golden creaminess come out of that. It's not a Guinness and Kangaroo and wine stew, but I am going to add about 3/4 cup, 200 ml. It just gives it the extra body. See ya.
What's happening with the dinghy?
That's all fine. Just sitting out in the middle of the water.
You just have to
buddy's holding it out.
Check these things when you're in.
Yeah.
We're in Neeps, aren't we? So there's not much up and down, but
halfway between Neeps and Springs.
so it can get pretty huge.
But
not as big as Broome though.
But the thing is, you can't lose your dinghy.
Can't go back to your boat.
You can't swim back to your boat. So if we lost the dinghy, we're stuck here with one more beer, half a bottle of wine, 3 days worth of food. Oh, unlimited food, there's a fish out there and a fishing rod. But luckily there's a camp on the other island, or the other peninsula of mainland, and they've got boats. So they'll just come and save us. And we always carry, no, we don't carry the two-way. The two-way's in the dinghy.
Hey, bum. That's bad.
I do have my inReach with me, so I can send a text to someone. Yeah. But usually I'll take the two-way with me in my bag, but I forgot. Can't remember everything. Right, time to go and check this reduction.
Really struggling getting coals with this very, very dry driftwood. Just going for it now.
One of my pet hates, people that think aluminium cans burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops, 8. I like it lumpy.
Morning. Well, the plan today is to leave this beautiful anchorage with its lovely camp and to head up and around the headland to another island, or an island, which has graves for the pearlers that were here a while ago. So we're going to go and check that out. I think there's some pretty stunning rock formations there too. So that's the plan for today. See ya. We've got a very muddy chain. Hi again. We had an issue with the deck wash pump. Well, an issue. It wasn't working. So Magnus pulled it apart and found out that the pressure switch was no good, and we don't have parts on board to fix that. So he's isolated the pressure switch, So now the deck wash pump is either on or off. So we've just got to remember not to close off the little trigger on the end of it, or we'll probably blow something up, or at least cause a great mess. So he's just up the front there, cleaning all the mud off the chain. It's pretty muddy country around here. And then we'll head off. Beautiful day. Yeah, beautiful in the Kimberley. It's good to be back. Our little garden's doing really well. This one here, which we bought as mushroom spinach, which was the same as the one we got in Darwin, isn't actually mustard spinach. It's mustard spinach, so I've never had that one. And now we've got sweet basil, and we grabbed a couple of Thai basils from Cam's, so got quite a good little garden going on natural at the moment. Giant whirlpool here. Wow.
A little one there, look on the edge.
Oh yeah.
We're going through half an hour before slack. So
Wow.
what it's like at full tide.
Morning. We are just heading out to have a look around in Peanut. A bit of an explore at low tide. So this area has an island with graves on it. I think I've already mentioned that. So we're just going to go and have a poke around at low tide. See ya.
If there are a couple of oysters for breakfast.
Lots of dots on the rocks.
We can make it in, it's only 0.7.
Yeah,
It does look like a Roman road.
Some very big oysters here. He's got his very slippery reef shoes.
Yeah, the slipperiest reef shoes in
I like
the world.
more dangerous than helpful. And he's got his protective gloves.
The size too small.
Definitely makes for an easy way to get ashore. It's amazing how many oysters there are here. It's very low tide, it's spring tide I think, or close to. There's Nutty out there. As usual, we're the only boat in the bay. I haven't quite worked out whether you can eat these funny looking, these. Does anybody know you can eat these things?
Oh, it's slippery. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, look at those. It's so good that you can just kneel on the front of the boat to get on. Ta-da.
one essential thing you've got to have in the Kimberley, more essential than any safety gear or accurate charts or anything like that, is a good supply of really good lemons. Because there aren't many things better than fresh oysters with freshly squeezed lemon, apart from Theakston's Old Peculiar. A couple of these are double ups because I lost the shells. $24 oysters for breakfast. Now that's what I'm talking about. Not bad, eh? Yeah. How big? You got to bite them in half. Look at the size of this thing. It's like 1/4 kilo in a oyster. I'm not one of these who just slides it down and gulps it. I like to have a chew of my oyster. And the nice thing is, the bin is just there.